There is light at the end of the tunnel for those living here at the Serenity Towers. Some of the biggest issues include bed bugs, possible mold, AC units not operational despite triple-digit temperatures outside, and broken elevators.
It's bad if you're in a wheelchair.
Frank Houston has called the taxpayer-funded high-rise home for the past 3 years. He says having these problems corrected means his neighbors, some of whom are veterans, will now get the chance to venture out freely.
I can kind of get up and down. But walking around them stairs ain't the best for something. You know, if you can't get around it, it's good.
There was good news Thursday in environmental court. Ben Sisman, the lawyer representing Serenity Towers, telling Judge Patrick Dandridge they are nearing completion. There is hope everything will be repaired for the nearly 300 units here, in many cases occupied by those who are disabled or elderly.
We get everything done. We make we comply with the code, and we're back to where we need to be.
Next up, another evaluation of the work that's being done after those with the property have gained ground by fixing the recurring issues.
The judge wants the code enforcement folks to do a sweep of every unit in the building and make sure we've done everything we think we've done.
With the problems finally starting to exit, those like Mr. Houston are hoping to again feel a, sense of serenity. In the end, Judge Dandridge reminding everyone involved this is something that must be done as soon as possible. Code enforcement telling the judge they plan to return Wednesday for what they hope is a final inspection. We'll certainly keep you updated. Reporting in downtown Memphis, Jarita Patterson, WREG News Channel 3.